How to fix Spotify Wrapped not being shown. In this video, I will show you exactly how you can fix you cannot see Spotify Wrapped on your home screen. So the very first step is just refresh your home page and check if the Spotify Wrapped is on your home screen or not. If it is not, then the second option is just click on the search icon over here and then search over here Wrapped, and you will see 2022 wrapped. Just click on this and your 2022 wrapped is here. And by the way, if you cannot see over here as well, then there is a third option as well. So just go to the home page of your mobile screen and click on Play Store if you are on Android phone, and click on App Store if you are on iOS. So I am on Android, I will click on Play Store. So just click on this and now search Spotify. So once you do this, you will see an option of update over here. If you can see an option of update, just click on update and update your Spotify app. And if the problem is still not solved, then you need to uninstall your Spotify app and install the app again. I hope this will solve your issue. And if this works for you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in the next video.